Skies are partly sunny, 82. It's very humid and a southerly breeze coming in at around 11 miles an hour. We're watching for the potential of several rounds of showers and storms arriving, one this evening and potentially a stronger round arriving later in the day tomorrow through tomorrow night. So all modes of severe weather are possible. Tonight, a level 1 marginal risk through the night that a few storms could become severe, but that jumps up to a level 2, level 3 risk during the day tomorrow and especially through tomorrow night. Now, currently not much happening locally yet, but we look downstream, or should I say upstream, coming from that direction on North Alabama. Showers and storms are slowly developing, growing in height. So therefore, we got to keep an eye on these for early to mid-evening, moving in towards Jackson County and toward the plateau as well. These can become a little bit strong before sunset, so keep an eye on that. Even a slight chance of redevelopment during the overnight hours. Now, aside from that, and from this chance right here, the higher risk for later on this evening and overnight is just to our north and west. So for us, through the night, a level 1 marginal risk of severe storms, but that threat level jumps from Nashville through the Ohio Valley through the overnight hours, a level 2, level 3 risk. But tomorrow, all areas locally jump up a category. Level 2, level 3 risk, especially northern Hamilton County and north, that enhanced risk is there. And if you break this down a little bit more to each severe mode potential, you can see the threat level grows higher the farther north you go. But everybody locally is greater than a 0% chance. So all areas locally need to stay on guard tomorrow, especially this area where there's that 10% chance of a tornado. A somewhat larger percentage chance of damaging wind gusts, especially north and to the south. Even some large hail could be a potential with these storms arriving later in the day tomorrow through tomorrow night. And again, that higher risk zone there across the plateau and areas right along I-40. So a lot to watch for the next, say, 36 hours. Here we go this evening. The storms to our south and west move north and east. We'll keep an eye on any severe potential through the evening, then a slight chance redeveloping overnight. There is going to be a chance tomorrow morning. I know we're kind of focused on tomorrow night, but through tomorrow morning to midday, we'll watch this line of showers and storms approach, then a bit of a break. Then by late day and into the evening, we'll keep an eye on storms redeveloping. It does appear that by mid to late evening, and especially overnight, we'll keep an eye on any early development of storms, but we'll focus on this complex of storms from about 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. Thursday morning. That could provide that chance of damaging wind gusts, isolated tornadoes, and even a threat of flash flooding, repeated rounds of heavy rain. This threat will stick around through Thursday morning, and then after sunrise, only a slight chance left over the rest of the day. Now, I mentioned the flooding threat. You know, our ground's kind of saturated from previous rain. Any slow-moving storms or repeated rounds of 1 inch to 2 inches could provide flash flooding. So do be aware of that threat as well, especially tomorrow night and early Thursday. So tomorrow's a weather alert day. There is a potential for storms to start the day, then a break, and another potential during the evening and overnight hours of highs mid-80s. The highest risk and more widespread chance is tomorrow night through early Thursday morning. After that, things get a little calmer. It is going to be breezy and cooler for Friday and Saturday, and right now looking dry for Mother's Day Sunday.
All right, David, thanks so much.